So we've just stopped for a Starbucks. Since I bought it, I saw that Rachel Leary has it. So I've got chicken pad thai. We've got spring rolls. I'll show you when I get there, but I just can't wait. It's good to show that like not every day is a good day. Like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. I've been absolutely loving vlogging recently. I feel like it's just a nice little thing, take you along my day. I just love it, so I thought why not do a few more vlogs. It's gonna be like a little weekend vlog. So I think today we have like food planned. What else are we doing today? I don't really know what else we have planned, but I think tomorrow we're gonna go for a roast. I'm literally so excited about that as well. So I thought I may as well take you along my little weekend. So if you're new here, I'd love you to stick around, join the little family and subscribe, and let's just get on with the video. So as it's like literally 30 degrees outside, I've literally got a really basic outfit on. My top is from Topshop, like it's literally just a ribbed white top from Topshop. And then I have these shorts on. Don't know if you can really see. That is the outfit of choice. I'm literally melting. Like, the UK has a few heat waves and I just feel like I could never deal with any of them. So I also quickly wanted to show you the jewellery I'm wearing because I'm literally fully in love with these pieces. Like, if anybody follows me on Instagram, have seen my stories or my recent photos, you'll know that I literally haven't taken these things off. From Anna Louisa, and I'll give you a little close in and show you everything I actually picked up. And they very kindly sent me a few pieces. I've been wanting some really good quality gold jewelry for so long, so I'm literally so grateful. So this is the first thing I picked up, which is literally like a little gold chain. And actually what I loved about this is in the middle here, I'll give you a little close up, but it says BU on it, and nobody else probably would be able to see it. It's just one of those things where you just know it's there, and I just thought that was such a nice little message. And I feel like if you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll know that I try and like rave on about being yourself and like doing what you want to do. So I thought this was absolutely perfect. And then since I bought it, I saw that Rachel Leary has it. That's just confirmed it was a good decision because I literally love her style and her jewellery. So yeah, that is the first thing I got. This is called the Jusif necklace. I'll put the name on screen of what it's actually called because I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. But the next thing I got was these little paperclip earrings, and these are called Sia. If anybody has seen that Sophia Tuxford always wears paperclip earrings, I just love paperclip earrings. Like, I've wanted some for so long. These are so pretty. They're like little gold ones, and they're so dainty, and they're just so gorgeous. And honestly, when I say I haven't taken these two pieces off, I've been sleeping in them. Okay, and I did keep one of the things I picked up in the actual packaging, so I wanted to show you how they came. They come so cute, these little like velvet pouches. So I picked up these, which are the scarlet hoops, and these are so gorgeous, honestly. These are just like those classic gold hoops, and I felt like I was in need of some of these, so I picked up these as well. And I feel like for what they are fair price. They start at $39 and then they go a little bit pricier than that, but they are just such good quality. They also have a really good message as well. They're like such a sustainable brand. Actually aim to have a 0 carbon footprint by the end of 2020, which I just think if you're going to be buying jewellery, why not buy it from like a sustainable brand? I'm so happy to be working with them. They did very kindly give me these things, and you can use the code Georgial10 for 10% off. I'll leave all the details in the description of the ones I actually picked up. But yeah, I just think they're all so beautiful, and I just want to quickly show you my little jewellery pieces of the day. We're going to go for lunch now. I'm literally so excited. So if anybody's seen the little like cafe in Lem, cafe restaurant where it's like all flowery and so cute, that's where we go. I'm gonna wear these little sunglasses. I like these just for, well, not outfits but basics. I feel like they're quite big and just make a little bit of a look. Oh, what's going on? But yeah, so I've got these on. These are my prescription Ray-Ban ones. I'm not sure which ones they are. I feel like they're called Haviana maybe. So here we are. This is the little cafe. I'm literally so excited. I've seen it so many times walking past, just never been in. So I've got chicken pad thai, we've got spring rolls, pork dumplings, and then mum's got prawn pad thai. This looks so good. So we just finished lunch and it was literally so nice. It was like Thai food, which is like one of my absolute faves. So yeah, that's what we did. And now we just took some photos, and I actually got some quite cute ones, I think. I don't really know because it's so sunny, so I can't really see them properly. But I'll put some on screen if I did get some good ones. If they're not on screen, it means we failed. Now we're just heading, I don't know what we're going to do next. Maybe get an ice cream, maybe look around some shops, something like that. And then I will update you in a little bit. So because it's like 55 degrees, we've obviously got some fruit pasta lollies. These are just my favourite. Going everywhere. These are just my favourite lollies ever. Today is Sunday and I'm literally so excited because we're going for Sunday lunch. This is our first Sunday roast since lockdown, literally since like March. So excited for that. We're going to a place called the Sycamores in Burbage, which is literally the best. So yeah, we're on our way there now. I'll show you when I get there, but I just can't wait. Like I literally fancy roast so much. So yeah, that is the plan for today, and then in a little bit we're going to go to Stratford, which I'll show you as well. Okay, lunch was literally amazing. It was so good. It was like one of those ones where it was in like a big giant Yorkshire pudding, and that just suits me so well because there's never enough Yorkshire puddings for me. I know that sounds ridiculous, but I usually have to ask for extra, and considering there was like a plate which was Yorkshire pudding, just the best. So now we're on our way to Stratford. The light is just going crazy in the car, but I'll vlog when we get there. I'm literally so excited. I think our plans are to get like a little cold drink, do a bit of shopping. I need to get some stuff for my friend's birthday as well. And I'm really excited about that because there's my all-time favourite shop there called Neon Sheep, and I just love it so much. It has the cutest little like accessories and just everything cute in there, really. Little outfit check. I've got this little top on from Zara. You've probably seen these in literally every single Zara haul I do, but these are literally £3.99 and I wear them so much. And I've got it with this little bag. I thought this would make a cute little pic. This little bag is from Boohoo and it kind of matches, kind of going 50 shades of green, but I think it'll be quite cute. So we've just stopped for a Starbucks in Stratford. I got the green iced tea. I think it's like apple and kiwi. It's really nice. And Mum got the like mango one. It matches my bag, which I'm living for. You having a nice time?
It's nice and busy.
So busy. It's the next day and I thought I may as well do like a mini get ready on the vlog, have a little chat, have a little life update, do our makeup. I also want to show you August Glossy box because why not? Everyone loves a little unboxing. So Glossy box actually sent me their summer essentials kit, which comes in this bag. I'm actually using this as like my little makeup bag for the minute, but I did do an unboxing of this over on my Instagram. So I want to go see what was inside this, then it is on my like collabs highlight, I think. So yeah, if you want to see that. But this is one of the things that came in it, and it's the Bare Minerals Skin Longevity. It's like a little serum, and I am absolutely loving this. Like, it's making my skin feel so smooth and soft. Like when it runs out, I feel like I'm definitely gonna have to like try the full size one, because especially in the heat as well, like it just, like I can tell my skin is just thanking me for that. It just feels like it just soaks right in. I haven't even been wanting to put makeup on. Like it's quite late in the day now, I'm not gonna lie, and I'm only just getting ready now because I thought today hasn't been the best day. Like I feel like in the heat I'm so unproductive. Like, I don't know if anyone else can relate. I put a little poll on my Instagram yesterday just because I thought it would help me feel a bit better if other people were feeling the same way, but in the heat, like I just get nothing done. Like I just physically can't do anything. So I'm really sorry if you can hear the fan, but I would melt without it. So I thought today isn't the best day. I really don't want to get my camera and vlog. Then I thought I rave on about in like all my girl talk videos and everything about being open and honest, and how I really want that to be like what my channel is like. Like it's good to show that like not every day is a good day. Like today's not even a bad day, it's just that like I'm feeling so unmotivated with like the weather. I just beat myself up when I have an unproductive day. Like I'm literally like, you've done nothing. Like it annoys me because I just hate having those days where you just get absolutely nothing done. But I've been actually trying to do like mini workouts. Like I've done a workout the last 3 days, so I'm feeling good about that. Like even if it's just like a 15-minute workout, I feel good that I've like got it in. So that's made me feel a bit better, because I'm feeling not the best about my body at the minute, I'm not gonna lie. Like I'm not feeling toned. I think I just stopped working out for a long time. I got into like a little bit of a lockdown slump, and then I just feel like I just lost all my tone, and just it's not, my body just isn't what I want it to be basically. So I'm doing something about it. I'm doing like workouts as much as I can in the week, like getting them in, which is making me feel a lot better, to be fair. Like it makes me feel like I'm actually doing something about it rather than just sitting around. But I'm getting to that point where I'm going back to uni in like a month, and I'm just feeling a little bit like, what have I done in the last few months that's like productive? It's been such a crazy time, hasn't it? Like I know a lot of people have been feeling like really demotivated and everything, and I've defo had that, like not been motivated to do anything. But I mean, I think it's so normal during these times, and I'm feeling like recently I'm getting back on it a bit, like getting on it with videos, getting on it with Instagram. That is where I'm kind of at. I have been feeling a bit demotivated, and I felt like I hadn't really spoke about that on my channel, and I didn't want it to seem like I'm just doing so well in lockdown, like being so productive, getting everything I want to done, because that really isn't the case. Like I just wanted to be open and honest, and not every day is a good day. Like today's been a bit of a meh, like unproductive day, which I hate, like I said, but we just have to think, hopefully this can help someone just feel like they're not on their own feeling like that, because I feel like so many people are feeling just a bit meh at the minute. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of chat to you about that. How I'm kind of helping myself through it is, like I said, doing the workouts, which is helping me feel less like sluggish, and actually just trying to get up and do something each day. Like even tonight, me and my mum are just going to go to Primark, something little, just to actually do something with my day. Or like yesterday I saw my boyfriend for the day, or just like little things like that, you know, like actually doing something with your day, so you get to the end of the day and you actually feel like, yeah, today I've done this or whatever. But it also is totally fine to have those days where you do nothing as well. Tonight, me and my mum, like I said, we're going to Primark, and then we're going to go for like that 50% off food thing, which I just can't get enough of. Like I just love it. I feel like it's so good. I just really wish, you know what I feel cheated by, that it's not in the Nando's near me. Like, you know when everyone was raving about Nando's, £3 Nando's, blah blah blah, and then they like released that list, and I was like, whoa, like I can't believe I'm not, my like where I live isn't on the list of the 50% off. And I was gutted, because Nando's, she holds a special place in my heart. I'm going to put in this Zara lip gloss on. I've spoken about this in my last like 2 videos, but I just love it so much. Okay, so I'm going to show you what's in August Glossy box. I was just about to say, like, it's actually crazy holding a glossy box and thinking like they actually sent it to me. Like I just don't understand. I'm so grateful, and I'm just so lucky to be working with brands like Anna Louisa, Glossy box. Like I'm just, I don't know, I have no words really. Let's take this as a little sign, just like whatever you want to do, you should go for it. Because I was literally just talking to some of the girls I met through YouTube, and I was saying like, I wish I started it earlier. Like I wanted to do YouTube for so many years and just never did it, literally because of what people thought. I just think you have to do whatever you want to do with life, because you only get one. And I know this is getting so emotional, and just this is not needed, but it's so true. Like I just think when people say to me like, oh, I really want to start YouTube, but I'm really worried people will say, or like, who cares what Karen down the road thinks of you doing your makeup on camera? Like who actually cares? Anyway, let's get into the glossy box. First thing was this little beauty sponge, which I feel like these come in handy all the time. It's a Brushworks beauty sponge, and this one I tried it with water and it wasn't as good for like putting foundation on, but I feel like this will be really good just for like putting powder on, so that's always good to have a few extra little beauty sponges. It's got the Molten Brown Rhubarb and Rose shower gel, and I've already smelled this, but it literally smells unbelievable. Like, I may have to invest in a full size one of these because it's so nice. A little lip liner. This is from Steve Laurent. I haven't actually heard this brand before, but I love a good lip liner. Let's have a look. Oh, it's kind of like a deep mauve. I can never say that word. You know what, this would be really good for autumn. Oh, is anybody else getting a bit excited for autumn? Is anyone else? I feel like it might just be me, but I absolutely love autumn. Like I can't wait for like home sense trips, decorating for autumn, like all the cozy outfits. Like I'm kind of excited for that, but then half of me is like hanging on to the last bit of summer. It's like a really deep kind of mauvey colour. I'm actually shocked at this. They have a full-size Huda Beauty lipstick in there, and it's such a nice colour as well. It's like a really dark nude. I don't know if you can see that. Such a nice colour, and I wore this last night actually for my little date night, and it was so nice. And it wasn't even one of those liquid lips where like it's horrible on your lips. Like you could still move your lips, if that makes any sense. So yeah, that was so impressed with that. And then last but not least, Glossy box have their own skincare, and this is the Eye Boost cream, which gets rid of like dark circles. And I just thought how cool that Glossy box have released their own line of skincare, and it's really cool on the eyes. I wish I hadn't put makeup on now, but it honestly feels so cooling when you put it on. So yeah, excited for the rest of the skincare that Glossy box brings out. Like how exciting is that? I think I'm going to end today's video here. Hopefully you enjoyed this vlog. It just had a lot of food, just quite a chilled vlog. I love doing little weekend vlogs, and I feel like you can get to know me a lot more. I wanted to quickly remind you that I did have a discount code for Anna Louisa, which was Georgial10, which gets you 10% off, and I'll leave all the information about the products that I got, about the little jewelry pieces I got, and everything down in the description box, because I'm honestly just too obsessed with them. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to get a big thumbs up, and I would absolutely love if you would stick around and subscribe to my channel. We're going to be having lots more chatty videos, lots more hauls, lots of uni content. I just love this time of the year because I feel like it's the last month just to chill at home. We've got a lot of content going on, and I'm just excited to vlog everything, show you the moving process back to uni. Just a lot of exciting things coming your way. So thank you all for watching. Honestly, I appreciate you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.